T-Mobile error code 9 signals a problem during device activation, SIM card setup, or eSIM provisioning. It means your device isn't properly communicating with T-Mobile's network. This can be due to a damaged or improperly inserted SIM card, network authentication issues, or incompatibilities between your device and T-Mobile's systems. Specifically, the error arises when the SIM's IC isn't verified against T-Mobile's database, or when your device fails to handshake with T-Mobile's LTE 5G towers. Outdated device firmware, incorrect APN settings, or even a glitch on T-Mobile's end can also trigger this error. First, restart your device. Turn your device off and on again to clear any temporary glitches. Next, remove and reinsert your physical SIM card. For eSIM on iPhones, delete and re-add the eSIM profile through Settings, Cellular, Add eSIM Plan. Check for device software updates. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates to ensure compatibility with T-Mobile's network. For Android devices, verify your APN settings. Go to Settings, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names, and ensure the T-Mobile APN is selected and configured correctly. If the above steps don't work, try a network reset. This will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN configurations. If you're using an eSIM and still facing issues, try deleting and re-adding the eSIM profile through Settings, Cellular, Add eSIM Plan. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support. They can help resolve the issue through their support channels. As a last resort, try a factory reset, but make sure to back up all of your data before you do, as this will erase everything on your device.